All right, good afternoon and welcome to Hangar Modern Classics in beautiful St. Charles, Missouri. So topic of today's discussion is quarter panel versus fender. So what you're looking at is a slightly modified 1958 MGA. Now this car doesn't have any quarter panels. It has front fenders and it has rear fenders. So as you can see, there's a seam between the two of them, and the main difference between fenders and quarter panels is that fenders typically bolt on where quarter panels are typically welded on. Well, that's not a hard rule, but it's the generally accepted explanation of that. And we'll go take a look at our Camaro here and illustrate the difference. So on the Camaro, the rear quarter panels are welded to the vehicle, and I've made a mark with a pencil up here, and that's where the quarter panel actually ends. That panel starts there and goes all the way down to the bottom of the panel. So and there's a factory seam in this location on most GM cars of that era that are coupes or hardtops, and that seam was filled with lead. So when the quarter panels were replaced on this car, there had to be some body work done there to because it's a natural seam. So there you are. And another, this may just be my opinion, but remember what I think about yours. Quarter panels often go up into the sail panel there and make up more of a quarter of the car. I kind of have a feeling that's where they got their name. And no, that's not a request for information. So quarter panels versus fenders, there you are.